Stevie! What are you going for?
Godzilla.
Godzilla,
Yeah.
made famous by the Blue Oyster Cult. You're feeling the rock.
I played this like twice in my life. I'm feeling the rock.
How much
It's
rock?
Right here.
Where?
There.
No.
There.
Ah.
There where I had my BCG. There. Still a bruise. Still a distinct bruise.
I want to see some proper guitar.
Did you see that, mate? I've never even played this song before. Well, twice.
Ah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, he's not even looking anymore.
Look, that is rock and roll.
What do the audience feel of this rock out? Are they liking it?
They've got a big red rock sign.
Rock! I'm sure it's meant to be green there, Stevie boy, but...
No, red means good.
Knocking things off the table, that's how rock this guy is. All that's missing is a crotch grab. Oh! That was a semi-crotch grab. Face of rock. Speedy hands of the demon himself.
Feel it.
Oh, I like this. It's just a snaz. Oh, he's got a giant guitar erection.
Yeah, I have. Oh. I just saw a beautiful tune. Whoa.
It must have been pretty fancy.
Wait.
Oh!
I just wanked a beautiful song. You'll see it in a minute. It's all over the screen.
Check the lightning fingers. The moves I have never seen before. A bust. Oh! I don't think I've ever seen such a beautiful move. Not just Woodstock 63. Or whenever it was. Woodstock nonetheless. It's almost sensual.
So, I have cleaned my gooch. There's no need to worry about your back.
It's quite alright. As much as your guitar is mine. That's why we play this thing. Oh! The crowd, how are they feeling?
I love it.
I could say, oh.
They've got a big red flashing sign now saying, oh.
Is that good? They're flashing. Oh, they're flashing at you, Steve. The fans are flashing.
They're flashing at me.
Check out this shit. Oh, he's died as a result.